Hi, Snickers. Guess who's going to the vet tomorrow? She is. She's going to get spayed because she is driving me nuts. I got the thing set up. I'm recording on my LG V30 cell phone I got. I traded in my iPhone 6s Plus for $350. Oh, yeah. Gotta stretch. And I got this phone for a good deal. The battery lasts a heck of a long time compared to my iPhones. Them iPhones, I'm on the wide angle lens right now, but them iPhones really suck. They're just junk. But anyway, besides the point, I turned the light off because I was blinding their face, and I'll probably blind my face. So, thought I'd record on my LG V30 phone, and it's really super light. I don't know how the quality is going to be with the light and stuff. I'm just testing it out here. I can't even see myself recording. But like I said, that's what's been going on. Just doing a quick update on the phone test quality. I turned my phone in. She's eating there. You made a nice little mess, didn't you? Didn't you, doodle monsters? Yep. Go down here and I'll show you. I've been doing some cleaning here. Trying to get things cleaned up. There's my iMac. Got a bed down here, and if it storms in the summertime, I can sleep down here. Got central air down here. Gotta move that fridge. I've never ever heard that pump run since I've been here. Then I gotta clean the rest of that up, and then I got a full bathroom over there. And then the cat just comes down here and chills. I sit down here, listen to music at night or game, whatever, you know. And then of course my car is really, really dirty. But it doesn't ever let up, the snow and the rain and whatever. It's just nasty as heck. And the car's been treating me good. So yeah, I've been driving that because gas prices are too expensive around here. I won't drive my truck unless I really have to. But that's an update on that. And hope you enjoyed this short little video. I'll put out a video of the cold start of the Ford Power Stroke. Until then, hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to film on this phone instead of my DSLR. Do you like the wide angle lens? Is the quality better or not? I'll mess with the settings. Let me know. Peace, guys.